Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you getting too many liked vibes notifications in Meta AI? You can turn them off in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want fewer notifications and a cleaner, less distracting experience while using the app. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down and tap notifications. Next, open Vibes and Replies. Here, you will find the option Liked Vibes. If the toggle is enabled, Meta AI will send notifications when someone likes your vibes. To stop these alerts, simply turn the toggle off. Once disabled, you will no longer receive Liked Vibes notifications. This helps reduce unnecessary notifications and keeps your app experience more focused. And that's how to turn off Liked Vibes notifications in Meta AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.